All right, Nathan here at CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to talk about our third generation Tacoma rear bumper, our standard rear bumper. So we make two versions of rear bumpers for the 2016 to current model year Tacomas. This bumper is our standard one. It's a direct bolt-on, does not require any cutting or modification. Super easy install. It's a great way to go for the average guy. If you want to go hardcore, you can go with our high clearance bumper, which does require cutting of the body panels from the tail light to the wheel well. And we'll go over that one in a different video. Basically, this bumper, the cool thing about it is it's an easy install. It's going to give you a little extra ground clearance. It moves the receiver hitch from the factory location. That one's taken off. And our receiver hitch is built into the structure of the bumper, so you gain added departure angle right there in the center with extra ground clearance from the receiver hitch moving up to behind the license plate. All of our receiver hitches that are built into the structure of the bumper, the license plate's put on a hinge so it folds up and out of the way, gives you good easy access. And the other thing is you get recovery points. So your D-rings on the bumper, those are integrated all the way through the skin of the bumper to the mounting, which comes right off the end of the frame rail. So you've got tons of strength there. That's your toe point, that's your recovery point. Those D-rings are going to hold up and use them and abuse them. So that's what they're there for. The other cool option with our rear bumpers is you can add backup lights, flush mount backup lights. The other thing that you can add is a swing arm with all kinds of mounting accessories. This swing arm on this particular bumper is our single swing arm. We make a single and a dual swing arm for any of our rear bumper configurations. We build in a lot of functionality just into the standard swing arm. So if you're looking at a standard single swing arm like this, your fuel carrying option is going to be on the driver's side. Your tire mounting option is going to be on the passenger side. If we start here with the fuel, we have built-in Rotopax mounting points. So if you want to carry the 2-gallon or the 3-gallon Rotopax, that mounting is already built in to integrate with Rotopax mounting system. Those will sit right here. If you want to go with jerry cans, we offer a single and a dual jerry can holder, and that also will bolt in this same position. With the Tacoma, your license plate's going to be on the bumper, so you don't have to worry about that. On our 4Runners, your license plate is covered because of the swing arm, so it mounts on the bottom part of the swing arm here. If you look at the tire mounting side, you can see that this tire is sitting vertical. We offer two tire mounts. We offer a vertical tire mount and an angled tire mount. There's no difference from a strength perspective. It's really just aesthetics and what you believe is going to look the best on your vehicle. So you can go with the vertical one. Obviously it's going to sit straight up and down. It's going to be the tightest configuration to the back of the vehicle. If you want to go angled and match, you know, like on a 4Runner, they've got a slight angle on the back, or even some of the Tacomas, depending on how they set up their bed racks and things like that. The angled tire mount works pretty awesome. That does stick the tire out at the bottom a little extra, but it helps to match the profile of the back of the vehicle. So that may be something that you want to consider. Another cool thing is all of our tire mounts are adjustable, both vertically up and down, and the depth for wheel depth. So you've got some adjustment in and out on those tire mounts, and that's with either one of them, the vertical or the angled tire mount. When it comes to high lift mounting options, we have a couple options there as well. If you go with the vertical tire mount, then you're going to have to go with our top high lift mount. And I'll show that here in just a second. If you go with the angled tire mount, then you're going to have to go with our bottom high lift mount, which puts the high lift running along the bottom arm of the swing arm. Alright, all of our swing arms have been developed with a hub and spindle setup much similar to the one on this rear bumper and swing arm. So we've developed a special closed sealed bearing that we use. Doesn't require any greasing or maintenance from that perspective. It's a special torque bearing, so it's designed for applications where you're not making full revolutions, more just partial or quarter revolutions back and forth. The hub itself is designed with 2 bearings on the bottom that are double stacked, and then a bearing and an oil seal on the top. The oil seal is really there just to keep water and moisture off of the spindle and to keep that area clean. And then on the very top, you're going to have a top cap with a built-in pull pin. So this pull pin is what automatically locks your swing arm in the open position. So if you're on a trail and off camber, you know, and you're trying to get into the tailgate of your truck, you're not going to be fighting this swing arm with several hundred, maybe 300 pounds of gear on it, trying to keep it open while you put your tailgate down or put your lift gate up on your 4Runner. So those are options that you're going to see in all swing arms. If we go to our high lift mount, and I don't have a high lift mounted on this one right now, but if you're running the vertical tire mount, then you're going to get the top high lift mount, which mounts your high lift horizontally along the top of the swing arm here. Another option that you can have is the fold down table. So we offer for fold down tables for both the single swing arms and the dual swing arms. For the single swing arm, it's a single length. It's the biggest table we offer, not quite the full width of the arm, just due to tailgate clearance on this side. But we make that fold down table as big as we can, so you've got room to put a stove on there and maybe do some food prep work or whatever you want to do. The table itself just pops down like that. We use some special ball latches, and to close it, same thing, just snaps into place. And again, that's available for both our single swing arms and our dual swing arms. Another thing that's not shown here is we do offer, if you want to carry the 4-gallon Rotopacks, we offer a bracket that will mount right here and allow you to carry the 4-gallon Rotopacks as well, which are significantly taller, and it adds that secondary mounting point, you know, up above where the cans are right now.